What's up, guys? So you don't know, today welcome back to a new vlog, and today we're there in the kitchen, and today we have Christina in the kitchen today.
Cooking with Christina.
Cooking with Christina today. That's what the name of the title is gonna be.
Cooking with Christina.
Yeah.
How much time we're gonna do it?
Yeah?
How much time we're gonna do it?
How much time?
We're gonna do cooking with Christina.
I mean, over the period of time. We see how much time we can do it, and we can link up and do some cooking. See?
That is it.
So you want to introduce yourself a little bit more?
One and only DarkNLovely, straight. One and only.
Alright, so
I don't know, big up David and Empire.
I don't know.
The life, it's still a bill and it's a bill higher. I have the Empress in there too, along with the king.
So I don't know, today I go vlog or cook some food today and things, so just stay tuned and things. You see me? Too far. I don't know, people, she have some chicken back right there, so she have some pork in here, so she have to jerk them.
Jerk pork.
She have the seasoning them there, so some of the seasoning them. You can remember the first thing you ever cooked?
Mackerel and rice.
Mackerel and rice?
Mackerel and
Or
rice.
turn out?
Eh?
Or turn out?
Turn out good. Rice be saggy, but the mackerel is dead.
I mean, I ask you if you ever mess up anything that you ever cooked before.
Yeah.
What?
I mess up stew peas.
Stew peas? Yeah.
Stew peas was what I mess up.
Yeah.
Easy, but we never know if it's so easy. My first time I cook stew peas.
Yeah, man, people are bad chef. She can actually open a restaurant. She can cook. So stay tuned and watch her go on. What age you start cook?
9.
9?
9.
Right, the Jamaica days.
Yup, 9.
Yeah, man. Jamaican parents, man, they make you cook, man.
9. Oh, 9 long enough.
Mm-hmm.
Is it some jerk pork? When I'm done with the jerk pork, now I'm going to make some curry chicken back. I'm going to do some baked other sweet potato, some baked sweet potato with a little mashed potato on the side.
That is it. You hear that, people? Chef in our kitchen today, man. Yeah, look on the pork look pretty, you know? The chicken back, now wash it and thing yet. That's it.
You have to get some into seed, yeah.
So this she put in what, that all-purpose in it? Yeah. Put in the all-purpose. Garlic powder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You know, some I really use garlic powder.
But garlic powder good for you.
Yeah. It's better than same thing as garlic, like I use the garlic.
Somewhat, yeah. If you ever spend time, I make white meal. When I make rice and peas, I put the garlic powder in it and it smells the same when time it boil out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, so I don't know, Christina go pretty up and thing up on her face.
Bye,
Long
you know where
hair.
I come from.
How much inch is that?
Oh, well, I'm not even know.
Kill my twirl, yeah.
All the way where I
Damn,
all
see
the
that?
way where
Yeah, man. She got doll up, you know? Yeah. Don't know, we have to show how pretty she is today, you know what I'm saying?
Today? Wow. Today he said.
I mean, she's always pretty, but you don't know she got do the extra. You know? What is that?
Pepper.
Pepper.
Fresh pepper.
Fresh pepper.
And then curry pepper.
Okay.
So instead of the regular pimento, I crush it up and put it in a little jar. So now I have to crush up more because I only have a little bit, as you can see. So I'm going to crush up more and put it in my jar.
Oh, that is it. Pimento, guys.
Pimento. See the little pimento still in there. So I'm not, what I call it, I'm not tie nobody.
Tie nobody, exactly. So, people, if we're not a Jamaican, we don't know, we always have a seasoning. We have to season up the meat very well. You understand? We have to have everything. Yes, me.
One and only Walker's Wood. Anytime I have the jerkin, Walker's Wood to the world.
That is it.
Nothing can beat Walker's Wood.
Why? Burn up. Walker's what?
Walker's.
Yeah.
I don't know. Walker's.
Yeah.
Walker's would come with its season, but we still have to put little dash of our one pan it.
The apron, there's something to the apron, no apron?
Sir, me a Jamaican.
I'm Jamaican. We don't use apron in the kitchen.
We use apron sometimes, not all the time.
Alright. And that sound, you listen to the sound, people.
I'm gonna still add more to put there. I can't. So me have to spray the pan, make sure it's not stick up on it. Hush, I have small fry pan right now, so see if them can fit in a fry pan. Well seasoned already. Make sure I'm basic, you know. I don't know, this is America. It's very cold, so when I go outside, go put nothing on no grill.
Stove business.
Straight in that open it I go. Can't waste nothing.
Yeah,
Where you sit down? That tiny afraid.
hold on.
The screen. Right, that's upon 350. Give it time, make it cook, and then right back to the chicken.
For Jamaica?
Yeah.
I don't get Florida in Tallahassee. I'm not about Tallahassee and Albany.
I'm gonna fry some chicken back. And you don't know, I make it with some ackee. And then the chicken back are fried. No worry, it white now because the season I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put another ackee. No matter worry about that part, the black soon come.
You have a wide audience of people right now, Jamaican. Look the pot what, the whole pot what?
Jerk pork, guys.
Yes.
Almost finished. Almost, not yet.
Almost. Say
And
hi
this
to the
is
vlog.
Jessica. Jessica, say hi.
Yeah, people, so she don't, you don't know, she's still in the kitchen team, she Yeah, do the
Yeah.
little thing here, so. She do so chicken back and ackee.
Alright.
And she fry it with chicken back right now. The pork in the oven. You wait on that. How long for that?
The pork?
Yeah, pork.
Another 20-30 minutes, that's for sure. I don't want to eat a raw pork.
20-30 minutes and
Yeah, another 20-30 minutes.
So what one way I gonna eat with the
So we're gonna
rice?
make no, I'm tired of rice right now.
Okay.
We're gonna make mashed potato and baked sweet potato with the pork and this. Yeah.
That is it.
Time late, but yeah,
Yeah.
to go eat.
So just stay tuned and we're gonna show you more and thing when it's done and everything, you see me? Believe. Yeah, people, so you don't know. This is the ackee and chicken
Bap.
bap. You see me? So yeah, this is what we are talking about.
Not done yet.
Not done it. There's more stuff. I take a peep on the watch your hand. Ooh, the heat. So yeah, people. I'm soon done. Yeah, people. So the food are, I go and take the time and done and things. You see me?
So much
chef
kitchen.
there. You see. So stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Right?
That is it.
Under my nose. I'm out. So right now, people, I bake some sweet potatoes. You see? Yeah, so spray up there. Fire paper. I don't know if I write racially, but yeah.
It's funny as fuck.
It's when
Come out of the kitchen.
you're a chef, you just work with anything somebody else cook.
Mommy out.
Yeah, people, so we are sample the pork right now.
Wish me know it done
Yes,
when
ma'am.
I have a sample
I'll
nothing.
try it.
If I your fuck.
One more. Hot.
That is jerk pork.
Spicy.
Jerk pork not supposed to taste. It's supposed to spicy. Jerk pork not supposed to.
Spicy, people. Can go on.
He must say you can't go on it, but you fuck.
Can-
Spicy.
Yeah. I'm not really a big fan of jerk stuff in but no, me will eat it, but no.
You want to taste piece of pork?
See, I forgot trim.
Water.
I forgot trim after that,
I must steam fish.